WAFD Bank offers personal and business credit card options, including a cashback rewards card and a secured credit card for building or rebuilding credit. It's important to review their offerings to find the best fit for your financial needs. Here are the general steps to apply for a WAFD Bank credit card in the USA. Step 1. Research and select a WAFD Bank credit card. Visit the official WAFD Bank website and navigate to the Credit Cards section under Personal or Business Banking. Explore the different credit card options available, e.g., cashback credit card, secured credit card, small business credit card. Review the benefits, annual fees, if any, interest rates, APRs, and rewards programs associated with each card. Consider your credit score and financial situation to determine which card you are most likely to be eligible for. Generally, a good to excellent credit score is needed for unsecured cards. Step 2. Review eligibility requirements. While specific eligibility criteria aren't always explicitly detailed online, you'll generally need to be a US resident with a valid Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. For the secured credit card, you will need to be a current WAFD Bank client or open a new account with them and provide a security deposit. For business credit cards, you may need to provide business-related information in addition to your personal details. Step 3. Gather your necessary information. Collect the following information before starting the online application. Full legal name, date of birth, Social Security number, SSN, or ITIN. Current US residential address, no PO boxes, and previous address if applicable. Phone number, email address. Employment information, employer name, address. Gross annual income and other income sources, if any. For a secured card, your WAFD bank account information. For a business card, your business name, address, industry, and other business-related details. Step 4. Complete the online application. Go to the WAFD Bank website's credit card page. Click on the Apply Now button for the specific credit card you have chosen. Fill out the online application form with the required personal, financial, and, if applicable, business information. Ensure all information is accurate and complete. Step 5. Review and submit your application. Carefully review all the information you have entered. Read the terms and conditions associated with the credit card. Once you are satisfied with the accuracy and have understood the terms, click the Submit button to send your application to WAFD Bank. Potential additional steps. Manual review. Some applications may require manual review, which can take longer than an automated decision. WAFD Bank may contact you if they need additional information. Account opening for secured card. If applying for a secured credit card and you are not already a WAFD Bank customer, you will likely need to open a bank account with them as part of the application process. After submitting your application, WAFD Bank will process it, which includes a credit check. You will be notified of their decision, typically by email or mail. If approved, your new credit card will be mailed to you within 7 to 10 business days.